Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can change the water temperature on your Delonghi Dedica. You need to make sure the machine is on and it is up to temperature, so you can see that this is ready to use now. So we need to put it into programming mode. In order to do that, we need to hold down the steam button for 10 seconds and then it will start cycling through each light. That means you're in programming mode. So I can let go now and you can see it's cycling through. Here, here, here. We now need to choose temperature, so we're going to hit the 1 cup and now it is in temperature mode. This will be low, this will be medium, this will be high. So if you want to put it into medium temperature, we're going to hit this one here and this will flash a couple of times just to let you know that it's been set up. And that is it. We're now back to normal and we're in medium temperature. Now I'm going to change it to high temperature. So hold down this button again to put it into programming mode. When it starts cycling, let go. Now we're going to hit the 1 cup to put it into temperature mode. And now we're going to hit this one here for high temperature. And again, you will see that it will confirm with a couple of flashes here. And that's it. It is now in high temperature mode. And it will remember that setting even after you turn the machine off. From now on, it will be in high temperature all the time. Thanks for watching.